So in this video, I'm going to give you the idea how to add previous project inside the LinkedIn. No matter whether you work on Fiverr, whether you work on Upwork, whether you work on Freelancer, no matter. The platform should be anything, but we need to add those information to our LinkedIn profile so that our profile gets noticed in front of potential prospect. So here is my LinkedIn. So after putting the information, our profile page looks like this way. Okay. If you want to add this kind of information to your LinkedIn, just make sure you have sufficient information about your project, your client details, as well as your finished projects URLs. So I'm going to start step by step. Let's go to the add button. Then just asking for the project name. So I have also put this information into my Upwork. Go to my Upwork profile. Now I want to put this particular project details inside our profile. So this is my previous clients. I want to put this information into our LinkedIn profile so that I can get noticed inside the LinkedIn. So just copy this information. Okay. Now go to the paste inside this, and same way just copy down the description and just paste down. So in this way, just paste it. Make sure this should be bold. Okay, this should be bold. Okay. Now go to the add skill set. So Wix is the skill set. Wix. I actually have created this website on Wix. Then website design, content writing, website design, website services. Now go to the media file. So we need to add here our project website URL as well as image related to our project. Okay. Now, so this is our website. Go to the media and put website URL. Add. Now, so just put the description if you want to put, otherwise no matter if you leave it as it is. So first, just here you need to put some of the headlines from this particular company as a description here. Paste, then save. Now after uploading this information, you have an option to share a post or just skip. So just simply skip. Now just make it refresh. So this is our project. So just make sure to also put the time frame. Just put the time frame here. Maybe September days and December days. Save. That's it, guys. So in this way, you can also upload your previous project from Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer inside the LinkedIn profile so that your profile gets noticed by your future prospect. I hope you are clear with this particular video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me through the comment box. I will definitely reply to the comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.